I think it's actually quite interesting that this notion of grids or clouds for non-specialists. Another example I ran into recently is that a photo sharing website called SmugMug, which is just a web service where people can upload their family photos, actually uses OpenID and OpenAuth, which means that users of this system can actually authorize other websites as services to do things with their photographs. So that's like an essential grid kind of function that we talk about for managing the security among different sites doing big scientific computations. But what that says to me, though, is that the average person on the street anywhere in the world that is using these websites and these web services will have the concept of the delegation of trust in the sense of having a valet key for your car. They're going to have this notion of a valet key for their personal web content that they can hand off to somebody else, and that's an essential grid concept that I see taking hold in just the general population of the world that uses the web, and so that's my way of saying that these grid concepts from the big science and big iron computing community will actually cross over at some point to this larger general computing kind of requirements. So once that happens, then I can certainly see non-specialists with the right tools and whatnot actually using distributed computing resources a la grids, but they don't necessarily see it that way. It's just these things that are being implemented as these web services on different websites.